Sai Ram students, welcome to another session of GK. Today we will start our new lesson, lesson number 3, in a manner of speaking. We liven up our speech by using some words figuratively. Fill in the blanks using names of colors. First fill in the blank. Dash lie, that is falsehood excused by its motive. Answer is white lie. An example of white lie is when you tell your mom her pie is good even when it tastes terrible. Second, fill in the blanks. Dash carpet, that is privileged treatment given to VIP. Answer is red carpet. Example, the winning team received a red carpet welcome, or the dignitaries received a red carpet welcome at the conference. Next, fill in the blank. Dash sheep, that is scoundrel. Answer is black sheep. Scoundrel means a person who has done something bad that brings embarrassment or shame to his or her family. For example, I was the black sheep of my family, getting in trouble trying to get rich. Next, fill in the blank. Dash goods, that is household furniture, etc. Answer is brown goods. Example, supermarkets have become a one-stop shop for food, clothes, white goods, brown goods, dry cleaning, photo processing, banking and internet access. Next, fill in the blanks. Dash fingers, that is skill in making plants grow. Answer is green fingers. Example, Hemant himself loved gardening and was born with green fingers. Next, fill in the blank. Dash moon, that is very rarely. Answer is blue moon. Example, I am very careful about what I eat. It's only once in a blue moon I eat fast food. Next, fill in the blank. Dash beard, that is old man. Answer is grey beard. Example, old grey beards have little idea about using computers. Next, fill in the blank. Dash streak, that is cowardice. Answer is yellow streak. Example, he knew what they were doing was wrong, but his yellow streak kept him from intervening. Next, fill in the blank. Nerves of dash, that is fearless. Answer is nerves of steel. Example, you need to have nerves of steel to be a fighter pilot. Next, fill in the blank. Heart of dash, that is well meaning. Answer is heart of gold. Example, he is a good guy with a heart of gold. Next, fill in the blank. Man of dash, that is very determined. Answer is man of iron. Example, Tanaji was a man of iron will and he proved it by capturing the Kondhana fort. Next, fill in the blank. Dash tongue, that is eloquence. Answer is silver tongue. Example, the car salesman has a silver tongue and he can sell any car off the lot. Next, fill in the blank. Limbs of dash, that is heavy moving. Answer is limbs of steel. Now let us see some fun fact. About 4% of languages are spoken by the 96% of world population. Now let us start our new lesson. Lesson number 4. You should know. Answer the following questions with the help of clues. Question 1. Which animal never stops growing? Answer is crocodile. Lizards, snakes, amphibians, and coral all continue to grow until they die. The scientific name of these creatures is indeterminate growers. Next question. Which instrument do the divers use underwater? Answer is aqualung. The modern name of the aqualung is scuba, meaning self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. The aqualung works using regulator or demand valve. It lets a person breathe in and out through the same mouthpiece. The regulator connects to tanks of compressed air and these attach to a vest the person can wear. Next question. Which creature can grow new legs? Answer is crab. Salamanders are champions and regenerating lost body parts. A flatworm called a planarian can grow back its entire body from a speck of tissue. But it is a very small, simple creature. Zebrafish can regrow their tails throughout their lives. Next question. Which animal has the natural armor? Answer is rhinoceros. Armor in animals is external or superficial protection against attack by predators formed as a part of the body. Usually through the hardening of body tissues, outgrowths, or secretions. It has therefore mostly developed in prey species. Next question. How many bones are there in the human skull? Answer is 22 bones. The human skull is generally considered to consist of 22 bones, 8 cranial bones, and 14 facial skeleton bones. Next question. Which substance catches fire in air? Answer is sodium. Sodium reacts with the oxygen in air to form an oxide called the sodium oxide and traces of yellow sodium peroxide. Therefore, the sodium metal should be immersed in kerosene oil. If it is kept open, it reacts vigorously with oxygen and the moisture that is already present in the air and thus catches fire. Which substance catches fire in the presence of moisture in air? Answer is white phosphorus. It is highly reactive and spontaneously ignites at about 30 degrees Celsius in moist air. It is usually stored underwater to prevent exposure to the air. Which is the hardest of all precious stones? Answer is diamond. Diamond is a native crystalline carbon that is the hardest known material. It is usually nearly colorless. When transparent and free from flaws, it is highly valued as precious stones. Which is the lightest metal? Answer is lithium. The lightest or least dense element that is metal is lithium. Lithium is atomic number 3 on the periodic table with the density of 0.534 gram per centimeter cube. Which metal become liquid at room temperature? Answer is mercury. Which material is used in making the filaments of an electric bulb? Answer is tungsten. Whenever an electric current goes through the filament grows. Next question. What is rock cotton? Answer is asbestos. It is fibrous, heat resistant and non-flammable silicate mineral. Because of its widespread use, it is called as rock cotton. The roof of this house is made up of asbestos. Now, fun fact. The lovely colors of the butterflies are made up of millions of minute scales that overlap one after another and cover the wings. These minute scales can only be seen through a microscope. Now, we will meet our another session of GK in next week. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.